Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit prompt in Midjourney. So, editing prompt in Midjourney is a great way to refine your creation, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can do it, which is to edit your prompt in Midjourney. So let's get started. So first, how to do is to enable the remix mode. So in the Midjourney Discord server, type /settings in the chat and press enter. So in the settings menu, enable remix mode. This allows you to edit prompt when creating variation. Find the image you want to edit, then locate the image in the Discord chat that you want to refine or modify its creation. So from there you can simply click the variations of your image. So it can be a V1, a V2, a V3, or a V4. Then if that once that is done, you can also remix the video, which is to remix the remix mode is enable you be prompt to edit the original prompt and edit it. So modify the text of the prompt to adjust the style detail element of the image. Then from there you can also change the color scheme or specify a different art style. Submit the edit prompt. Then once you've made your changes, submit the prompt and wait for Midjourney to generate the new variation and review and refine. Then from there you can review the image and repeat the process if further adjustments are needed.